dropping? This Tomato Town looks pretty good. We could go to Tomato Town. Okay, sounds good to me. Any objections? Yeah, guys, where'd Howie go? I thought you said Tilted Tower. Ah, damn it. Okay, guys, we gotta go now. Alright, quick, we gotta find guns. Wait, where's Howie? Kill him now. Howie's fucking dead, guys. It's okay, I found a rocket launcher. We can get out of here. Oh, hell yeah, dude. You ready? Yeah, man. Okay, 3, 2, 1, jump. God dang it, dude. You probably messed up the timing or something. It's fine, dude. I'll just revive him. It's okay. Hey, bitch. What? Ah, Jesus, it's a John Wick. I got a gun, guys. Hold on. I can get this. Pew! Blink.